I'm just trying to get bird sounds this afternoon. A lot of tree swallows, red-winged blackbirds. Just see what else is here. There's a tree swallow there in the tree near the new bluebird house. I think maybe the tree swallows have it. It probably won't go in while I'm here. There comes another one flying in. Oh, not sure you can see it. It's sitting on a branch right over the box. Good water sound here. All these little red leaf saplings are Buckeyes, Ohio Buckeyes, coming up all over the place here. Little one there, bigger one over there, very tall one here. We call this Buckeye Run, this little stream. It's an unnamed tributary of St. Joseph Creek. There's a lot of small, medium, and large buckeyes along here. Here are some of the bigger buckeyes, medium size. I don't know if you can see how huge the buds are. I'll try to focus in on this little branch. I think that'll show up. That's a big buckeye bud. Oh my gosh, here is another American Brook Lamprey. This is as late as I've ever seen one. In April. What is this, the 21st? Wow. Usually they're here on the 15th, 16th. Just this one. Whoops. It's in the shadow of a tree trunk. Huh, I'll have to go upstream. Maybe I'll find a couple more.